Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture on how to combine some AI chatbot with R coding to create some beautiful graphs with some survey data. So in the last video we learned how to create histograms, and now we'll focus on another data visualization option that we have for continuous data, that is boxplots. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can utilize this prompt to create simple boxplots. So let's go ahead and put this prompt on Gemini. So for this particular video I'm going to use Gemini, but of course you can use any other chatbots that you like to use. Yeah, so just to remind you again, we are working with this National Financial Wellbeing Survey dataset. We imported this dataset in our RStudio environment, and we just named this dataset or data frame as we call it in our FWB data. So you should have done this before you chat with Gemini. So now let's go back to Gemini and share the information with it. So the data frame name here is FWB data. Then we have the variable of interest. Let's continue with the variable that we have been working so far, which is FWB score, which means financial well-being score in the survey. So that's financial well-being score. Next, we have only keep cases where the variable is non-negative. If you remember from the previous videos that this variable has some missing responses which are coded as negative numbers, and we just want to get rid of those responses. So that's why I provided this extra information. So I'm done filling all the blanks, so I can just click submit and get the code. So let's wait for Gemini to produce the code, and we'll see what happens. As always, Gemini and also other chatbots, they always provide like a different code every time you request a code. So I'm like super excited to see how the graph would look like. So it has produced the code, and I can just copy it from here, and I'm just going to paste the code in my R script, and then I'm going to select all of this and just going to click run. And then let's hope for the best. It seems like it's again installing some packages. So now let's look at the box plot that it created. Wow. So it actually put this individual dots on top of the box plot. That's something that I don't want to show. So I'll need to, engage with one more chat with Gemini. I'm just going to request it to skip the dots from the box plot. I just want plain box plot. So let's see with the updated code how does the box plot look like. So again, I'm going to select the whole code, and then I'm going to click run. Yes, so this is what I would rather want for a box plot. Again, you can add more things on it, but I hope that this simple prompt will be useful for you to create some simple box plots. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create grouped box plots.